What's going on, guys? Dan Roman here. Today I'm showing you how to connect your phone to the Bluetooth deck on a boat. Nobody wants to be boating without music, so let's get started. We are on one of our Sylvans today. This is the JMS32 Jensen deck. Let's turn it on. Just hold the power button. We're already in Bluetooth mode. If you're not, it doesn't really matter. Bottom left there is the Bluetooth button. You take it, press it, hold it, and we got the pairing countdown from 120 seconds. Grab our phone out. So we're gonna turn the Bluetooth on. We're gonna scan. It should come up down here at the bottom. There we go. JMS32. We're pairing. Hit OK. And there we go. Simple as that. And now you got music while boating. Enjoy that Kelowna sun.